Hey, what's up guys? It's Danny.
And Justin, and we're here at One Stop Board Shop installing these Red WTFs. So for the install, we're going to disassemble the front bumper and rear bumper and front pad and rear pad, and then install each rail one by one. We're going to be taking out the axle bolts of the motor cable side, and we'll be replacing this rail first. Oh yeah, I can loosen these. We're going to remove the remaining 4 bolts on the top, and then the rail should just come off. So we're installing the top bolts first. Since we're going from one WTF to another, everything's already angled as it should be, but it'll just be an extra step angling your controller and battery if you're going from stock rails to WTF.
Thank you guys for joining us on this WTF install.
Make sure you like and subscribe for more videos. Stay riding.